Hey, what's up everyone, it's Isaac here, welcome back. Today's videos I'm going to share this amazing hairstyle. It's useful to cover the bigger forehead to make your face to look smaller.
And that is useful for any season and any outfit.
It's super useful.
Let's go.
Hey guys, make sure do this haircut before the hairstyling. You can ask your hairdresser to do it. Maybe you can come to my image studio. Alright, let's go.
Yo, stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. Time to stand up, take control tonight. Spend too much time on the plan, it's right. It's time to execute now on your dream in life. Gotta fail fast, learn, try again and fight, alright. Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? You're out of your mind. I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo. I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that I've ever done it. I'm new, coming back better. Yeah, I will always be a warrior. You can't stop me, you can't stop me now. Yeah, I will always be a warrior.
Hope you guys love these videos. Hey guys, support my channel, we need your support. If you want to send us some support, we are welcome to see your super chat here. Alright, see you guys in the next videos. Have a nice day, bye.